Good morning. It's our second day, our first full day in New York. We're gonna go to Lafayette Grand Bakery. Oh, I don't think there's a line. I don't know. This is like right here. So the line's right here. Oh my gosh, it looks like there's no line. Here, wait.
You better lighting though. Oh yeah.
I got ricotta pancakes. Trisha got eggs Benedict, smoked salmon. What is this? Pan chocolate? Pan au chocolate. Yeah. Then me and Trisha both got these pistachio supreme croissants. I like it. Wow, good cut.
Oh, there is another one. Really? Like oozing, not oozing.
Wow. Nice. Okay.
Yummy, yummy.
Is it good?
That was like a lot of filling.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
What's the bird?
Oh, good.
It's good. We're going to the Strand bookstore. We're looking at tote bags, and all of the tote bags have this book pocket. See? That's so cool. Wait. There's the fruit series, animal. There's like different versions. No, there's like different series, so like we're in Washington Square Park. Instagram pictures, behind the scenes. Okay, outfit of the day. Who's first?
This is from Mango. This is from Forever 21, Princess Polly.
Cute.
Amazon, Slybuzz.
Pink moment.
And my Louis.
Nice.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, okay. My jacket's from Princess Polly. My sweater's from... I got it from PacSun. My skirt's Abercrombie. These are from Uniqlo. And boots are from Amazon.
And your purse.
Prada first.
And your shades.
Shades? Oh, from Gentle Monster.
Cute. Okay,
I forget where I got this from. My shirt is from Express. Skirt from Express. Leggings from Uniqlo. And this is from...
We're in Washington Square Park still. It's a nice day. It's cold, but it's like not too cold. We're in Chinatown. We're in line for Fun. This is gonna be part of our lunch. Guys, a fight broke out over there. Oh no. Okay, there's like so much more police over there. Oh. Thank you. We got our food. Got our food. This one's from Mela.
Okay, let me try your food.
Dumplings, and then we got the pork buns there.
Oh, and we got the egg.
Oh,
And then the meat plate.
this is really messy.
It looks like it. It's okay.
It pushes me.
Oh my god.
Where's the chicken? No.
This side.
Can I try it? How is that? That looks good. Then we got the shrimp rice noodles. This is so good. This was so worth it.
I prefer
How much was this again?
just a small one. That one.
$8 for this. This has salted egg, right? That looks good. We're gonna get a haircut here at that hair salon. Right there. How it turned out. How are we feeling?
I'm freezing.
Freezing. Dude, my face is feeling numb right now. My feet are feeling numb. What was frozen? Your chin. Ready?
These are all your tickets? Just this one?
Yes. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. We're in Ichiran and I just got the set. I pretty much did all of the recommendations except add more garlic and a little bit more richness, which is like the oil. Trisha and Joanna. Joanna's the only one who didn't get the set. That's what. I'm gonna eat the dessert later. I just tried this was from Melewa, and this is the salted egg bun, and it's so good. And this is the last one. Thanks, Trisha.
There's like 3. So
This was so good. This is so worth it. Okay, we're gonna unbox our haul today. I got 2 Smiskis and then 1 Sunny Angel, the animal series, and Joanna got the other animal series. Okay, Joanna, which one did you want?
I want sheep.
The sheep? How does the sheep
So
look like?
cute.
No, the sheep is cute. Yeah, okay, go.
I think you're gonna get a deer.
Dude,
There's a lot of options.
I saw people shaking it. I'm like, bro.
How would you even know? Like, literally,
Like based on the weight or something?
you
like
have no idea what it would be.
I hope you get the duck. The
they're
duck
fu-
is cute.
They
Okay,
were so
we got
annoying.
these at the Strand bookstore. These, honestly, they're pretty cheap. They're like $10.
that? Online it's like 12.
Yeah. And then this one, what's the store called?
On me?
On Me. Yeah. Okay.
Oh wow. You definitely don't keep the box.
I'm not.
I wouldn't keep it.
Okay.
Wait, you have to guess what it is.
Yeah, or
I thought you did.
oh, okay, you.
I hope you get the duck.
You guess based on like, oh, I know what I have.
Oh, let me see.
Guess.
I think it's a deer.
Deer.
Oh,
Oh, is
what
it?
is that? The
Dude,
fawn?
this was a good one.
Oh, the fawn is cute. Or it
A
could
lot
be
of
the
people
pig.
want
What if it's a
this.
pig? No, it's the fawn.
It's the fawn.
It's the
Ah!
fawn. That's cute.
Dude, everyone wants this one.
Honestly, that one's really cute.
No way.
Yeah, I saw someone say like, oh, I want the fawn. Dude, look at the little ding ding.
What series is this?
The animal one
Animal?
version 2. Okay, how'd you open this?
What
Gross.
version do you
I
have?
have
Jess?
version 4. Okay, I want...
I hope you get the lion.
Oh, I want the Shiba Inu. I hope I get that one.
That one's cute. The lion. See, Trisha, isn't it fun?
Yeah, you should have gotten. This is like our
We can be friends.
activity before we sleep. Okay. What is it?
Yes.
Lion.
Oh, I feel like it might be the anteater. No, but all of these ears look familiar. Look similar.
The anteater?
What the heck's the anteater?
Anteater.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah,
Like,
dude.
I could feel small ears and a nose.
Someone was saying they wanted that one on TikTok.
Dang, I don't know. Because it could be an anteater,
Cheetah?
Shiba, or the cat. Okay, let's see. I got anteater.
That's cute.
It's pretty cute, honestly.
That's cute, yeah.
I like it.
Oh, he has the same one.
Cute.
Does he have hair in the back?
Oh my gosh, she has like wings.
This might have wings.
Wings too.
Cute. Sunny angels. We're dumb.
Oh yeah. So cute.
Cute.
Now I have Smiski.
Shimasharge.
Okay, one of it is, what is this? Yoga and bed.
Oh yeah, yeah.
What should I do first?
So wait, why'd you choose those two?
I don't know. I feel like because...
They relate to you.
Huh?
They relate to you.
No. Because I could put them like in, you know, random places. Okay, let me do the bed one.
I think one of them glows in the dark, right?
Yeah, the bed one glows in the dark. Oh, what do I want?
Yeah.
I like the one with the hat.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah, I think the one with the hat is cute. I don't think it's the one with the hat. I think it's the one reading.
Oh, that's cute.
I think. Oh no, it's the... this one.
Peekaboo.
It's cute though. I like it.
That is cute. You can put stuff.
I'll just put him in nice time.
You can like hang him upside down or something.
It's cute. I like it. Then I got... This is the yoga version.
Yoga collection.
I either want this one because there's like a little mini person there, or this one because it's stretching.
Mini person.
Oh, this is also glow in... Oh, both of these glow in the dark.
Oh, I found the one.
Cool. Oh, I know what it is. It's this person. It's, meditating. I'm pretty sure it's that one. Meditating. Oh no, it's a different one. Oh, it's this one. It's stretching.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, that was cute too.
That's how I stretch for
Are they different?
I know, right?
Is that the
track.
Oh, they're the same color.
Yeah. So they glow in the dark. Cute.
Turn off the light so we can see.
I know. I want to see.
Oh, we gotta.
Okay, Jez is gonna turn off the light so we can see it glow in the dark.
Can you even tell on camera?
Oh yeah. It's glowing.
Yeah. Cool.
That's cute. I should have bought one.
Yeah.